getting eaten alive. Today we are hiking Curry Ridge in Denali State Park. It's actually just starting to kind of rain on us right now. Curry Ridge is a 6.5-mile hike out here in Denali State Park in Alaska, and the views of Denali from here are absolutely incredible. We've been staying at the K'esugi Ken Campground for the last couple of days, and so peaceful down there, and really those views of Denali and surrounding peaks are outstanding. I don't think there's many other places where you get the same kind of views. This looks like we've made it to the top of, or maybe it's over there. Look at this view. Like there's a lot of awesome places to do some wild camping up here. Makes for a good multi-night trip. Let's see what this says. Nothing. We are at the top of Rocky Knob on the Curry Ridge Trail. So these views are amazing. The mosquitoes out here are so bad. Getting eaten alive. So many mosquito bites. We're making moose camp nachos, baby.